19. What was George's reaction when he saw his wife drinking stout during daytime? Yes, he did not like it. Good, A. Next is Mrs. Pearson tells George that he's being dashed at the club. Yes, that he's being laughed at and that he's being called names, both B and C, so it is option D. Good. Next is, according to Mrs. Pearson, when Cyril had been wasting, where Cyril had been wasting his time and money. Races and shows. So it is both A and B, so option is C. Next. It's that silly old bag from next door, Mrs. Fitzgerald. Who said this? Who said this? Cyril. Yes. B. Option B. What does George mean when he says we are at sixes and sevens here? That means we are in the middle of an argument. D. Next, Mrs. Pearson's family had been dashed towards her. Had been option uh, option D, unappreciative towards her. Okay. So we are left with, is there any question that is left? Yes, one. What message does the author of Mother's Day try to convey? Yes, to appreciate wives, mothers for their work. Option A. So can anyone just share the short answer and long answer questions now? The assignment that I'd shared in your GC, in your Google Classroom. Please share those questions now. Yes, you can go, Lavneesh, if you have your class. Yes. First question. Answer the following questions in about 30 to 40 words. Which specific domestic problem was Mrs. Pearson facing? Yes, raise your hands. Who said may I? Yes, Tushita. Tushita, which specific domestic problem was Mrs. Pearson facing? Just hold on for a moment.
Pearson faced the problem which millions of mothers have been facing for being housemakers. There was a lack of respect and consideration by the family members. She was not treated as a member of the family but like a servant or an attendant by her husband and her children.
Yes, very good. So, it was the lack of respect. She was treated as a family member, but as a servant or an attendant. Their place in the family was more like that of a furniture. She was not, her individuality was not being respected. Next is, what happens when Doris, Mrs. Pearson's daughter, comes home after the exchange of personalities has taken place? Raise your hands. What happens when Doris comes home after the exchange of personalities, apart from Akarshita and Tushita? Somebody else. Yes, Aryan. Aryan.
This takes place, Mrs. Pearson receives all the traits of Mrs. Fitzgerald. She becomes aggressive and dominating. She becomes the boss of the family. She takes Doris and Sarah to ask for their inaction. She asks them to help themselves. She doesn't spare even her husband. She reminds George.
You said she asked them to help themselves, but we are first of all focused. You have to focus in this question, you have to focus only on Doris. What happens when Doris comes home after the exchange of personalities? Okay, anybody else who can elaborate upon that? We are not to focus on Cyril or George in this question, we have to focus only on Doris. After the exchange of personalities, when Doris enters in, what happens after that? Anybody who can reply to this question? To iron her yellow dress and after that to give her tea, but she denied. Kartikoli, you can respond by speaking. बोल सकते हो बच्चे आप. Anybody who can just speak up the answer. Okay, his mic is not working, but anybody else from the class who can speak up? After Doris comes in, after the exchange of personalities, Mrs. Pearson actually now is having the, what is she having? She's having the traits, the personality traits of Mrs. Fitzgerald. So she's become very dominant. She's become very, aggressive, and she immediately tells her daughter that her skilled dress would not be ironed by her, and the way she behaves that actually hurts her daughter a lot, and she feels miserable. The tea is not ready. She calls her boyfriend Charlie Spence buck teeth and half-witted. So each and everything is directed at Doris, and she feels very miserable and hopeless and she finds her mother very heartless, and by the kind of behavior that she is meeting out to her. What shocks Cyril on his return to his house, and what does Cyril call his mother? What shocks him? Just hold on. We have Harsimran in the class who will give the answer. Yes, Harsimran, loudly. Cyril was shocked as when her mother came of her daughter's tea and he saw her crying also. And mother came of her Cyril also tea, so he was shocked at that also. And Cyril was mainly shocked when he saw her mother drinking stout in the morning and with her weird tonal behavior, which was never seen before. And Cyril called her mother Barbie because of her Mami. Yes, good. So Cyril was shocked when he entered the house. First of all, he was shocked to see Doris crying. Then he was shocked that his mother was having was smoking, and also he was shocked because the tea was not ready for him or for Doris, and the kind of mending that she was supposed to do, of his things, she totally refused to do that, and the kind of behavior that she was having with both of them, with both the children, with Cyril and with Doris, that was quite weird for him as well as for Doris, and he found it quite strange, and he did not like it at all. Kiran Chandra, you had stopped sharing the screen. What does Mrs. Pearson tell George about how he is treated at the club? Yes, Tushita. Tushita.
Mrs. Pearson tells George that the members of the
Just
club
hold on.
laugh
बच्चे आप
at
अपना
him.
बंद करो, ये आपका
He
बहुत
is in
ज़्यादा
fact one
echo
of
हो
their
रहा है.
standing jokes. They call him Pompey Ompy Pearson because they think he is quite slow and pompous. Although this joke is quite famous, George is unaware of it.
Mrs. Pearson tells George that he's being called Pompey Pearson at the club. He's one of the standing jokes of everybody at the club. He's a laughing stock for them. Mrs. and George definitely and obviously is quite hurt because he's not aware of any such thing, and he is hurt too. Okay, I want somebody else to share the screen because if Hasamran does so, then the voice echoes a lot because he's sitting inside the class. So somebody else has to share the screen. Yes, somebody else from the class. What is the final effect of Mrs. Pearson's new behavior on her family members? What is the final effect? Raise your hands. What is the final effect of Mrs. Pearson's new behavior on her family members? Kiran Chandra has already given one answer. Tushita has given two. Akarshita is always ready with the answers. Okay, Akarshita, you can give this answer. What is the final effect?
Of Miss Pearson with the neighbor Miss Petzal, there has been a remarkable difference how the family treat Miss Pearson now. Miss Pearson wants to play rummy with her family, which she know that nobody would enjoy it except they would play it on Christmas. And now, when she asks them to do the things that she likes and she loves, everybody is ready to do it. Even the children are ready to make the supper that night, and everybody is with her and respecting her rather than being rude to her and treating her like the servant.
Yes, very good. So there is the final effect is that there is actually total transformation in the behavior of the kids and the husband towards Mrs. Pearson. They are totally changed, and she wants them to play rummy with her, and she wants them to prepare supper, and they're all ready to do such things. So she is treated now as a mother and being respected as a mother towards the end of the play. What message does the playwright wants to convey to the society through this play? What is the message? What is the message that J.B. Priestley wants to convey to the society through this play? Okay, Hasimran will do so. Yes, what is the message? Yes. Yes, very good. The message is that they should be mothers should be properly respected. They should be given due respect, and we should treat them properly, and their dignity should be maintained at all costs. Next is justify the title of the play Mother's Day. How would you justify the title? This is a long answer question. How are you going to justify the title? The message, theme, title, you need to, prepare for such questions. Yes, Akashita, how would you justify the title?
Very well justified, because if we see closely and clearly, this story revolves around Miss Pearson, who is the main character as well as a mother. She been facing very difficulties and she's not treated right basically. And through this chapter, Miss Fitzgerald was a neighbor, friend, and a fortune teller. She helped her to get that place in the family and to have that day that she deserves, for all the things that she has done, for all the amazing job she has done for the family without being paid 24/7 a week. So we can say that it completely depicts the story of a mother who needs respect and who needs to be treated equally, even by his husband.
Yes, by her husband. Yes, very good, Agarshita. Next question is compare and
Ask
contrast.
Mrs. Fitzgerald and Mrs. Pearson. So they're totally opposites to each other, Mrs. Fitzgerald as well as Mrs. Pearson. Mrs. Fitzgerald is a very bold and a fearless and an aggressive kind of a lady, and she's feels quite pity towards Mrs. Pearson because she's not being treated well by her family members. And what does she do for her, and what kind of a person is Mrs. Pearson? This you have to elaborate in this question. Mrs. Pearson is very timid, very docile, very down to earth, and very mild and submissive kind of a person. Very meek also. She doesn't have confidence in herself. She lacks confidence, and she is very nervous kind of a person. And right in front of right in front of Mrs. Fitzgerald. She confesses that she's not able to, and she will not be able to adopt a tough attitude towards her family members, and she knows it that if she would do so, then her family members would resent it, and she would feel miserable thereafter. She would not be able to tolerate it. Okay, and so it is Mrs. Fitzgerald who does it for her, and she helps her out in this kind of a situation, and she wakes her family members up, and she makes them realize that they have to value the female in the family, whether it's the mother or a wife, and she makes them realize that she also has rights and she also has privileges, and she also has a dignity that needs to be respected. Okay, so next is the play Mother's Day is not only satirical, but it is also humorous comment. So you need to find out the humorous elements from the play, and you need to add them up, you need to elaborate upon them and write them here in this question. It Just find out some of the humorous elements from the play, and you can just define them and you can elaborate them later on. It is not only satirical but also humorous. Comment. How would you attempt this? The play is not only satirical, it is not only a satire, but it also has elements of humor in it. Yes.
There's a personality switch in the play. We witness very humorous incidents. As we know, Miss Fitzgerald is very bold and she speaks what she wants to, and she's kind of wickedness. She has that in her tone. So when she encounters the daughter Doris, how she treats her and how she answers her is very interesting, and it gives a sense of a bit of humor which is required. Same goes with Sarah when he asks about the tea is ready or not. And the comment made by Miss Pearson at that time after the personality change is remarkable, because if we compare old Miss Pearson with the one which has the personality of Miss Fitzgerald, it's very remarkable and humorous.
Yes.
And the time when Miss Pearson, this new Pearson, tells George, her husband, how he has been a model of love to be on in the club. It's very humorous, the names and which has been given to them.
Yes, yes, very good. So you have exactly elaborated upon each and everything. The only thing required is that you can add on some of the lines from the text also. That would give more weight to your answer. Otherwise, it is perfectly fine. Akarshita, good. Next is Mrs. Fitzgerald acts as a savior to Mrs. Pearson comment. This is a very simple question. How does she act as a savior? She's the one who comes, who acts as a lifeline to her. She's the one who makes each and everybody in the household understand how a wife and a mother needs to be treated, and it is only after the swapping of personality that things improve for Mrs. Pearson and her family. So this you can do it. I don't think there would be any problem doing this question. Okay, so you need to do this assignment, but there's no need to do those multiple choice questions in your notebooks. You have to complete this assignment and you have to send it to me in Google Classroom, not on my WhatsApp. Okay, is it clear to everybody? Yes or no? One question of your textbook, I have not put it in the Google Classroom, and rest these questions are there. So everything needs to be done and submitted in Google Classroom in time by Thursday 6 p.m. Okay. So as far as your class is concerned, this is all about the class. Let's move on to the attendance part.